Discover how AI is transforming the way we manage our money and plan our financial future. 1. Automated financial planning. AI tools are automating and investment management, allowing for more personalized financial plans. If this is your first time of you coming to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. 2. Enhanced data analysis. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data quickly, providing insights that help you make better investment decisions. 3. Improve customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants offer 24/7 customer support, resolving queries and providing financial advice instantly. 4. Fraud detection. AI systems enhance security by detecting fraudulent activities more effectively, ensuring your finances are safe. 5. Personalized financial advice. AI uses your financial history and goals to offer tailored advice, helping you achieve your financial objectives more efficiently. Thanks for watching.